Hello, Miss Thompson here. And before you watch this video, I had asked you to watch the Amoeba Sister video and to create a graphic organizer showing the similarities and differences between the two processes. And those two processes being mitosis and meiosis. So if you decided to watch this video first, stop, go watch the Amoeba Sister video, create your graphic organizer, and then come back. All right, now your graphic organizer could be anything. It could be a Venn diagram, it could be a T-chart, it could be a mind map, whatever it is that you use that helps you the best. I made a T-chart and I'm going to show that to you just to help you make sure that you got all of those important differences that you need. So, mitosis and meiosis. That first big difference is the number of cell divisions. Remember that in both, we are dividing our cells, but in mitosis, we're only doing one cell division, while meiosis has two cell divisions. Mitosis is associated with asexual reproduction like budding, and with growth, development, and repair. All of that can happen with mitosis. In meiosis, this is associated with sexual reproduction. The only thing that's going to happen here is sexual reproduction. Genetic diversity. That's the only thing that we use meiosis for. In mitosis, our homologous chromosomes are not going to match up. Remember that those homologous chromosomes are the two chromosomes that have the same number, like chromosome 16. You get one from mom and you get one from dad. Those are your homologous chromosomes. In meiosis, they're going to match up during prophase 1. Because in meiosis, your homologous chromosomes are matching up, that allows for crossing over to occur. So crossing over can occur in prophase 1 because our homologous chromosomes are matched up. Since in mitosis, the homologous chromosomes are not matching up, crossing over is not going to happen. In mitosis, because we only have one cell division, we're going to get two daughter cells, and just two daughter cells. In meiosis, since we're using two cell divisions, we are going to have four daughter cells. Here is division number 1, division number 2, and the resulting four daughter cells. In mitosis, each of the daughter cells, so both of the daughter cells, are going to be genetically identical. There is no difference between these two. They're the same. Over here in meiosis, however, all four of our daughter cells are genetically unique. So this one could be A, this one could be Z, this one could be K, and this one over here could be E. They're all going to be genetically unique, not the same as one another, or any others that happen. All right, the next thing, daughter cells are diploid. This is written as a 2N, and this is the standard or normal amount. This is the amount that we usually see, I should say. So for our two daughter cells in mitosis, they're diploid. They have that normal standard amount that we see whenever we look at a somatic cell. However, for meiosis, our daughter cells are haploid. I tend to think of it as hap, sounds like half. And what we've done is we've divided this 2N by 2, haploid is just N. Daughter cells are just haploid. They only have N. This is because we've had that second division and we've divided these 2 N cells in half. So here they were 2 N. We divide that in half, so all of these are going to be N. And then those cells that are produced is another difference between them. For mitosis, you're going to produce whatever kind of somatic cell you need. So if you have a skin cell that is undergoing mitosis, you are going to have 2 identical daughter cells that are also skin cells. Over here in meiosis, however, you are producing gametes. Remember that those are those sex cells? And in humans, we have spermatozoa and egg cells that are our 2 gametes. Well, that's the end of it. I hope that you have a wonderful week. Remember that all of your assignments are due on Friday at 11:59 p.m. And reach out to me if you have any questions about any of the content. Alrighty.